Welcome to part 3 on how to fix a sunken asphalt driveway, repair tire depressions, and seal your driveway to prevent future cracks and damage to your driveway and home's foundation. If you haven't watched the first and second videos in this series, you can click the link in the top right corner to go to this playlist to see those first. They are filled with important experiences that I am sure will save you time and money. Last summer, we thought we finished the project, and it looked amazing. In the spring, when the snow melted, we found our driveway looking like this. All the sealer had washed off, but the space between the garage and driveway that we sealed was completely successful, and the concrete paste was also very successful. I'm especially surprised that the concrete paste survived the Canadian winter. I am making the concrete paste, but this time using crack filler instead of sealer. I'm sure this is going to make the concrete paste much more reliable than the mixture I made last year using sealer. Make sure to apply a bit more of the crack filler to cover the concrete paste and prevent discoloration when you apply driveway sealer. One of the best parts is you don't need to do it all at once. You can do it whenever you have time. As you can see, I would apply the epoxy shelled crack filler and then dust some of the sand mix concrete over it and mix it together on the spot that I want to fix. The layer I applied last year on the edges of the tire depressions were much thinner than the layers I am currently applying. If that paste survived last winter, this will certainly survive and stay for years to come. As you can see, it is very easy to apply. Just put on gloves and you can repair your driveway in maximum 1 hour. I made sure to push the paste into the crack as much as I could. This is so easy to do that I easily filled every single crack on the driveway. The concrete ensures the cracks are completely filled the first time, while with just the crack filler, you would need to apply several times to get the same result. It's just so complete of a solution and really efficient. I let this paste dry for about 2 weeks before applying driveway sealer. This time I purchased epoxy shell driveway resurfacer and sealer. It was 4 times the price of latex ITE runway formula driveway sealer, but completely worth every cent. It has a 10-year warranty and the color is deeper black, which I personally like better. It wasn't as easy to apply as the latex ITE one, and I needed to push harder to fill the holes and cover everything. It took twice the time to apply. I bought 2 buckets to cover the whole driveway. This time, I didn't pour it onto the driveway so generously because of the price tag. I kept on putting the roller into the bucket and applying it. After a couple of applications, the paint roller cover kept slowly sliding off, so I just tapped it onto the asphalt to put it back into place. After filming this project, I noticed that the concrete on the walls had some black spots that stubbornly wouldn't wash off. Afterward, I completely painted them black and it looks amazing. Even after 5 months, in January 2022, after shoveling the snow at least 5 times, still the sealer is completely like brand new. I haven't found any black spots in the shoveled snow that could be a sign of the sealer coming off. If I was able to do this project without any experience, I'm sure with the tips I've shared, you can do much better than me. Please subscribe and stay with us. Thank you for watching and have yourself a wonderful day.